Passion is the foundation of performance. And when you build the foundation, it has to be sound. At Rockford Fosgate, we have created the building blocks of the future. Patented technologies that are engineered at our headquarters by our engineers. Products that don't only bear the Rockford name, but the attitude of the individuals behind them. Each product that we build is built to exceed performance expectations. Good will never be good enough. We set out to raise the bar and deliver an experience never heard or felt before, and we hold those expectations in the highest regard. We are always in pursuit to perfect performance. You can hear the passion that we design into the products. We use the finest materials, cutting-edge engineering, and developing technology that sets the bar. We relish in the competition and competitiveness. Winning is the only option, and outperforming performance is our measure of success.